Homework should be banned or not? That is what we are going to discuss in this video. By the way, do you like to do homework? Well, I don't, until and unless it is just other than writing the things. So, we are going to see both the things, that homework should be banned or homework should not be banned. So, hey, what is up people? This is Divyansh and welcome to my channel Learnium, where we learn and discuss with a lot of fun. Now, homework doesn't allow students to give their time in other activities in which they are interested in. Yes, because after the schools, students are already very tired, and after that they have to do a lot of homework at their home. Yes, really unfair, right? Okay, so the first thing, that homework takes a lot of time for the students. So for an average, a student spends 1 or 2 hours to complete their daily homework. But is this actual learning? Definitely not. So we learn more when we play outside, when we observe the things around us. That is called actual learning. But due to homework, almost all the students are just enclosed within just their copies and books. So that is not actual learning. And by the way, can you answer this? That what is the purpose of gaining a lot of knowledge? Yes, we gain knowledge from our schools and books and from anywhere else, just for that we can apply that knowledge in our practical life to solve our problems. But what if we are not interacting with our outside world? Then what is the purpose of gaining the knowledge if we cannot apply that knowledge in our outside world? So, due to homework, students are not interacting with the environment and nature. So that is why homework should be banned. Hey, I don't agree to this. I don't agree that homework is not giving students time to go and play outside. The only thing they lack is the proper time management. Because there are some students who also give their times to homework, as well as they also go and play outside. They don't stop their creativity and their curiosity to learn new things. So the only thing we have to do is to teach students how to manage their time properly. So for this, we don't need to ban the homework. Right? Okay, the next thing, which is that we don't know that homework is done by the student or done by anyone else, because we are not sure. A student might have copied his or her homework from the internet, or he or she might have copied that homework from his or her friends. And also one more thing, that at our home, some parents are well educated while the others are not well educated. So some parents can help their student in doing their homework or completing their projects. But what about others? The other parents cannot do that. So therefore, some students have unfair advantage. In school, everyone is equal. You know, we all wear the same kind of uniform, and also all the facilities are same for all the students in a school. But that's not the case at our home. So that is why homework is breaking one of the most important concepts, which is equality in students. So that is why homework should be banned. Hey, I don't think that we should call this cheating or copying the things. Because, answer this, why do we have some apps like Google, WhatsApp? So that we can share our knowledge or we can share anything. So that's what the students are doing here. They are sharing their knowledge on internet, or they are taking the others' knowledge and they are putting that into their homework, so that they can present their homework in more better way. So this should not be called as cheating or copying the things. And talking about parents, so for this, teachers can teach the parents that how to handle their child. So this problem would also be solved, because all parents want their child to be independent in their life. So if we will give them proper teachings about how to handle their child, then this problem would easily be solved. So again, we don't need to ban homework for such a small problem. Okay, so the next thing is going to be really helpful for us. So the question is that does homework really make impacts on the student's performance? What do you think? Well, for this we have a clear example for us. Yes, Finland. Finland is a country where there is no homework at all, and also the students only have to give one exam when they come at the age of 16. So this was about Finland, that there is no homework. So now we have to just compare that students are performing well or not. So for this we have one organization. Yes, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. So this organization basically evaluates the education system worldwide by taking a test. Yes, they take a test from the students who are at the age of 15, and the subject is mainly the mathematics. And this test also has a name. Yes, it is PISA, Program for International Student Assessment. So they rank the countries by the average performance of the students, and in this ranking the Finland country most of the time stands in the top 3 or top 5 position. So from this we can clearly say that homework does not make any impact on the students' performance. And if you are asking what's the position of India, while India, I don't know why, but don't give this test. Okay, so Finland comes in top 5 and top 3 positions worldwide. But there are other countries which also come in top 5 and top 3. So what about them? There is homework. By the way, we should not relate homework with the performance of a student, because the main purpose of giving the homework is that whatever the student has learned in his school, he will revise all that topic individually at his home. So he will do the self-study of that concept and will understood that concept really well. So that is the main purpose of giving the homework. So we should not relate homework with the performance of students. Okay, the next thing, which is that students do their homework daily. But what do you think? Do they really want to do their homework? Well, I don't think so, because most of the students do their homework under the fear. Yes, the fear of punishment, which teacher will give them the next day. And therefore, under the fear of punishment, the students usually do their homework. So students don't want to do their homework, but they have to do under the pressure of their parents or teachers. So this is very unfair for the students. This should not happen. So please ban homework, right? Most of the students continuously complain that homework should be banned, and we should listen to their problem. So I think right, that students do their homework under the pressure of their parents or under the fear of the punishment. So now let us imagine that we completely ban the homework in our country. Now what do you think? Does all the problems will be solved? I don't think so. If we will completely ban the homework in our country, the students will simply waste their time in playing the games, or they will just pass out their time on mobile, on the social media and on and on. They will not at all focus on their studies. They will forget about their careers and everything. Therefore, homework is really important for the students so that they will keep some focus on their studies. Otherwise, the situation would be really worse, and this will definitely have the impact on the students' performance. So therefore, we should not ban the homework, otherwise the situation would be very bad. Okay, so now let me give myself my personal opinion about this topic. So for this, let us imagine that we have banned the homework in our country. So now, what do you think? Do students will be free from all the stress which is due to homework, or will their creativity will grow up suddenly? What do you think? By the way, according to me, the students will not focus on their study. They will just simply waste their time. They will not even go outside and play, that I was talking about. So finally, this doesn't mean that we should ban the homework, but a change is required. Yes, a change in the type of homework which is given. So we can make a change that we should give students a type of homework such that we should give them to observe the things around them, or something like that, in which they will also enjoy in doing the homework. So that is what we should do to handle this problem rather than just banning the homework, right? So this was only for this video. I hope that you all liked it. By the way, I wanted to know that what do you think about this topic? Does homework should be banned or homework should not be banned? Please give your personal opinion in the comment box down below. So I hope that you all like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and relatives as much as you can.